Shut up, truck. Man, you can see this bullshit right here. So I ordered an American dog, right? Combo. I said, can you give me an extra American dog? um, now, I'm supposed to say American dog on a bun? I don't know, hot dog sandwich? Like, come on, man. Now I can see if I said, give me an extra hot dog for my dog or something if I had one. They really gave me a fucking. I'm going back, I'm like, yeah. I'm like, what the hell is that, man? No bun, no nothing. They're gonna get it straight, though. Say, keep that one. We're gonna give you an extra one. Like, I don't know, man. Sometimes people be out of space.